Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be installing and reviewing the Olixar case-compatible glass screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Though we are installing this protector on the iPhone 11 Pro Max today, these screen protectors are also available for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro models. With the larger size of this handset, there's an increased chance of dropping it when going about day-to-day tasks, and this puts the phone at risk of lasting damage. In terms of protection, most cases are difficult to pair with glass screen protectors, but Olixar have created a glass protector that fits nicely with a variety of cases, so you can give 360 protection to your new device. The installation process is quite simple and only involves a few steps. Inside the box, you'll find a microfiber cloth, a cleaning wipe, a dust removal sticker and guide stickers, and finally the glass protector itself. First, take the cleaning wipe and wipe over the screen thoroughly to remove any dust or greasy fingerprints. Next, take the microfiber cloth and dry the screen off to leave a nice clean surface. Take the dust removal sticker and dab it over the screen to take away any stray dust particles that can stop the glue from sticking down fully. Now you're ready to apply the protector. Apply the guide stickers to the top and bottom of the screen to help place the protector accurately. Take the protector in hand and very gently peel away the backing from the protector, making sure you don't touch the adhesive side. Carefully lower the protector onto the phone, lining up the cutouts with the speaker and edges of the phone. This process can be slightly difficult to make sure that it's in the right place. If needed, you can peel the protector away again and reapply if it's not quite aligned properly. Just make sure there's no dust trapped in the adhesive or on the phone before you reapply. If you find any dust trapped on the adhesive side, simply use the dust removal sticker to dab it away. Once you're happy with the placement of the protector, touch the centre of the glass and the adhesive should begin to stick down to the screen. If you find any remaining bubbles, simply rub them away with a cloth or your finger, pushing from the middle to the edge of the screen. Now your phone is ready to use with the robust glass covering that shields your phone from damage. Of course, this glass protector saves your screen from annoying scratches and scuffs that occur with everyday wear and tear, but the added security offers a whole other layer of protection. Every feature works perfectly with no loss in responsiveness, allowing me to swipe through apps and browse the internet easily with no drag. It's relatively thin with a 0.3mm thickness, and with the screen and the protector lined up to match, it's barely visible. I like the smooth rounded edges as they match the shape of the phone and the overall iPhone look. As this case boasts case compatibility, we tested a few out with the protector and they both slip on with ease, leaving the protector firmly in place. I really like this budget glass protector. It has a brilliant premium quality to it that you don't often find in cheaper screen protectors. I hope you've enjoyed this installation and review of the Olixar case-compatible glass screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you're looking for more mobile accessory reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching!